The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skiller. Yes, me here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now I want to let you know about something that happened within the country of Jamaica, where it is said that a man had been accused of sexually assaulting a 12-year-old girl. It is said that the mother of the daughter caught the man with her daughter at a certain place in a certain way. You see me? And I'm going to explain to you according to some information that I got about the incident and according to some things that I read in a news article about the incident as well. You see it? You see, before me even start to talk about this incident, viewers and subscribers, I want to encourage each and every one of you to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. You see me? And the next thing that I want to say, I want to say to each and every parent out there, keep an eye on the children. Make sure you know where your children are at by every means necessary. You see me? Because there's something wrong with some of them boy. You see me I say? Notice me say some of them boy because everybody stay them way. You see? So let me explain what I go on now too. You see me? Now, according to the news article, it is said that the mother reported the incident to the police within the country of Jamaica on the 19th of April year 2021. It is said that the incident happened within the parish that is known as Hanover, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. See? Now, according to the information that I got about the incident, it is said that the mother sent her 12-year-old daughter to her daughter's grandfather's house to use his Wi-Fi because there was no Wi-Fi at her house. You see me? And it is said that the mother sent her daughter to use her daughter's grandfather Wi-Fi at his house to complete her online schoolwork. See? However, it is said that sometime after 12 p.m. within a certain date of April year 2021, the daughter left her grandfather's house to go home for lunch, which is the mother's house. However, it is said that the mother noticed that her daughter did not reach home at a certain time, so she became concerned. And then she took her phone and called her daughter's phone, but she got no answer. See? So it is said that after that, the mother took her phone and called her daughter's grandfather's phone. And it is said that the grandfather answered the phone and told the mother that her daughter left his house and went home for lunch, which is the mother's house. See? It is said that the mother became even more concerned and left her yard and went on the road searching for her daughter. It is said that some point along the way, the mother heard noise coming from an abandoned building. And it is said that the mother went inside the abandoned building and found her daughter on her back and the man was standing over her. Now, I don't want to really explain every details as to how the mother found her daughter with the man. Yes, what I'm saying to you. But it is said that the mother raised an alarm to let persons within the community know what was going on. And it is said that the man ran, left his clothes, a knife, and his cell phone. It is said that the police had been notified about the situation, and it is said that the police are now searching for that man. Viewers and subscribers, I want to say this to each and every one out there, see? You keep a close eye on the children. Make sure that you always know where they are at, because something is wrong with some of them boy. Yeah. See? Anyways, I'm just letting you know about this incident that happened within the country of Jamaica. You can let me know what you think about it, viewers and subscribers. As I say, and I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skiller. Big up on yourself. Yes, it.